Hello and welcome back. We are going to now show you how to make the final part of your robotic arm. But remember, each part that we've shown you so far, we really would encourage you to change it and explore and experiment with different ideas. So the final part of the robotic arm is adding something on the end to actually grab and lift the object that you're planning on lifting. So this here does need some improvement, so this is just an idea to share with you. But what we've done here is created like a pincer, just like on a crab. We've got two sort of claws. Both shapes are created symmetrical, so they're both exactly the same, just flipped. And the way in which we've pivoted and allowed those to move is we've got them pivoting on a piece of wooden dowel that is threaded through a piece of cardboard. So these hands are able to rotate simply by creating a piece of material and popping a wooden skewer through it. So what we've done to stop that skewer from coming out is we've actually put a piece of hot glue on each end just to stop it from coming out either side. However, I think what this needs to make it stronger is double the thickness in card here and double thickness on the arms, and maybe a bit larger, but that again is something you can explore with. So that end there will attach onto the front of the levered arm, and the way in which we're going to get it to move is actually we've used a syringe, and as you can see, this syringe has got a piece of card on there too. So we'll stick the syringe onto the arm as well as the handle, and then what we've done is connected the syringe to the two pincers, so that using wire, but you could use any other material. The beauty of wire is it's got a little bit of flex, so when we push the syringe out, that wire pushes the pincers close. So let's glue that on and show you how that works. So we're going to pop some glue here on the back. And this has been pulled apart a few times since we started making it. So a bit of glue there, a bit of glue here. We should be able to stick that in place here. Oh. Now that's a good point. So that's the syringe. We need it in a position where we're able to attach the tube to it. So maybe I was a little bit ambitious, thinking I could glue it all in one go. So I'm going to turn that round and add a little bit of glue to that arm, lift that off. Struggling to get the glue out of that glue gun. So once that's nice and dry, I can show you how it works. So let's pop that back on the base and let's just test the rest of the robotic arm. Now I've used a stone here at the bottom just to give the bottom base a little bit of weight. So pop that stone there just to balance it out really. Okay. So we can see that arm moves there, we can see this arm moves. What we need to do now is get that pincer moving. Okay. So you can see the levels of movement there. We've used a smaller syringe on the pincers because we didn't have the length to be able to use a larger syringe, and as you can see, hopefully now, you see that's shut. If I pull it, it should open. So there you go. There's one method you could use to grab and lift something. So this project is actually going to demonstrate your ability to model and evaluate and test and modify. And this is a classic way in which any engineer or designer comes up with a new product. So hope you enjoy it. We're really looking forward to seeing what you can create, and we're hoping that someday soon you'll be able to bring your creations into the centre so we can actually have them on display. Now this challenge will be judged by ourselves, it'll be judged by me, staff at the Marches Centre and Income Training, but it also will be looked at by professionals from Robotic who are endorsing this challenge. So as I've already said, Robotic are specialists in robotics, so your chance to sort of shine really and show them what you're made of. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing your creations very soon. Goodbye.